Welcome back everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video guys. I hope you all are good today. So this is the video about the RDS storage optimization. What are the techniques available to optimize the storage, how you can efficiently use the storage, and what are the tips and metrics we have to check in order to optimize the storage. These things we are going to discuss in this video. So this is the storage related, video, guys. I hope you are, are interested in this topic. So before going to start this session, I would like to, highlight one point over here. So if you haven't, subscribed my channel yet, so please go and hit that subscribe button, and also, like this video if you find my contents are, useful for all of us. So, without wasting much time, so let's get start our a storage related session. So, to simply to help to understand, I have prepared a document for all of us. So this is the RDS storage optimization related content, guys. I hope you all are enjoying it. So first of all, we will go with the we will learn this why the storage optimization is required actually. So basically, it involves improving database storage performance, cost, scalability, reliability, based on the workloads and requirements. Actually, whenever you require the the storage performance, the cost, less cost, the scalability, the reliability, and if you have workload in the increasing manner, so there we use there we require the storage optimization kind of thing we have to perform. So to achieve this, so we have a following, storage key areas of RDS storage optimization. So we'll go one by one. So in order to optimize the storage, we have to go with the right storage type actually. In the RDS, in the AWS RDS, we have the general purpose SSDs, which are quite faster. GP2s and GP3 storage types available to use. So why general purpose SSDs, GP2s and GP3s are useful? So because these storage types are balanced performance and cost, optimized. We can say the storage types are. So these storage types are best for most production workloads. Most of the production workload, the enterprise workloads will go with the general purpose SSDs and GP2 storage types available in the console. Uh, Again, we have GP3, gives better control over IOPS and throughputs if you need a database which can handle intensive IOPS and throughput. You have to, you will go with the GP3, storage type actually. Another we have provision IOPS SSDs. These are IO1 and IO2s types of provision storage types. Provision IOPS are for high performance workloads, low latency and consistent IOPS, best for OLTP, high transactional transaction databases. For this, you will go with the provisioned IOPS actually. So basically, whatever your storage requirement, you have to set pre before launching the database. You have to set your maximum storage capacity. So this is the provisioned IOPS actually. So this is best for the workloads, the high performance workloads and low latency and consistent IOPS. Again, we will go with the magnetic storage types to optimize this RDS storage performance. because magnetic storage, it comes with the older generation storage, low cost but smaller. No, if you are not required the you it means you are your requirement is to go with the you need a slower database, or you have the uh, low cost, then you would go with the magnetic storage type. As we have already discussed, that most used for legacy or small workloads. If you have a small workloads, or let's say you do not want to make this storage type available for a huge workloads, then you will go with the magnetic storage types. Then another point to discuss over here is optimizing IOPS. IOPS is basically input output operations per second. High IOPS improves QE performance, transactional processing, backup speed, and replication performance. If you have high IOPS, so definitely your standby instance, the replication process will be faster. Backup speed will be increased if you have the IOPS, optimized IOPS. So this is Uh, then if you are using optimize, IOPS in the provisioned IOPS, then definitely database in is right heavy, high concurrent transaction traffic exists. Replication lag occurs frequently. So these are the points under consideration. So another point to discuss over here in order to optimize the RDS performance, that is the storage autoscaling. Most of us are already aware about the storage optimization. What is the storage optimization, and the storage autoscaling actually here. So the storage autoscaling, once you go with the storage autoscaling, it will automatically increase the storage whenever the space is running out of the space actually. So benefit of using the storage auto scaling is prevent outage due to the low disk space. Whenever you have low space in your in your storage, then this auto scaling will perform the increase mechanism. Uh, when you are using the auto scaling, it reduces manual intervention. Definitely, you don't need to manually increase the storage. The auto scaling will definitely increase the storage. Whenever you have the unpredictable growth of the data, then you will go with the auto scaling. So in order to identify and optimize the storage, we have another point to discuss over here. But before going to discuss this point, I would like to mention one point here. So please subscribe this YouTube channel if you find my videos are really helpful for all of us. And if you like the content, so please subscribe this YouTube channel, and also comment in the description whatever point you want to discuss and hear it from my end. So I'll definitely try to simplify the concept in the simple way actually. So monitoring storage metrics, important cloud metrics to checked. So free storage space, read IOPS, write IOPS, latency, write latency, and disk queue depth. These are the few metrics and the storage metrics to wash out. In order to let's say you want to check the actual cause of the storage that is being utilized. So there you will go with the the metrics and the storage metric related things. So obviously these metrics are helpful in heavy workloads and capacity issue, and another things actually. Another point to discuss over here, that is the index optimization. While poor indexing increases disk reads, definitely if you are if you have tables which is missing in the indexes, then definitely the disk increases disk rate. So that will definitely you know it's not a good idea. So in order to optimize the indexing, so best practices includes create indexes on a frequently search columns, remove unused indexes, avoid over indexing. A proper indexing reduces storage, I/O, input output, query latency, and CPU usage. So this is why the proper indexing is required. Another point to discuss over here. So here we have a data archive and cleanups. Actually, this is the very useful utility, guys. Old or unused data increases storage cost and slow the performance. If you have, the stale data or unused data, so that definitely incur a cost. So better to, delete the temporary logs of files or unnecessary data to optimize the storage and the save the cost also. So coming towards the the read replicas, read replicas reduces load on the primary database. As in our previous videos, we have discussed about the read replicas. Why we need replicas and what are the use cases of the read replicas actually. So basically, read replicas improves the primary DB performance as you do not have the workload on the primary DB. So definitely the performance of the primary database will be in the good state actually. So this is improves the storage efficiency, user response time. So basically, you are dividing the user uh, traffic. So there you will find a better user response. Another point to discuss over here, that is the backup optimization, guys. So backup, automated backups consume storage. Best practices set proper backup retention. Do not just take a backup, just weekly. So just set a proper backup, like if you want a backup every month, or let's see after 3 months or 6 months. So just this is, you don't want to take backups like daily backups and weekly backups. So but it is on your requirement if you want it, so you can set the backups. So this is, the brief video about the RDS database, cloud database, the storage optimization techniques, how you can simply optimize the storage and efficiently use your database actually. So these are the few benefits of RDS storage optimization, as we have already discussed: better database performance, low latency, reduced storage costs, faster backup and recovery, improved scalability, reduce replication lag, better application response time. So this is the brief video about the storage optimization, guys. I hope you all are good today, and I hope this video is helpful to all the viewers out there. So if you find anything, if you want to, discuss anything, so please, write down in the description box. I'll be more happy to, help you out, and keep on learning, and just, uh, what we can say, just watch out the videos. I just started making the tech related videos on this channel, and yes, if you find my videos are helpful, so please subscribe this YouTube channel. So bye guys.